Welcome back. We're now moving on to the finishing touches. Firstly, I want to start with the drums. You see here this little drum fill. This one. Okay, what we'll do is solo that. Okay, we'll just put a loop around that. And we'll zoom in a bit. Okay, firstly what I'm going to do is I'm going to bounce out, bounce in place. Okay, I'll put this to a new track. Okay, so I'm just going to mute this by pressing M so we can listen to the next one. Okay, I'm going to make this a bit more interesting now. Firstly, I'm going to place an auto filter on the channel. Okay, I'm not going to use this envelope section, so I'll turn this off. Okay, I want this rate to 2 bars. Use this section. Cut off to 0. Bit of the fatness here, and the resonance about halfway. Okay, we want a high pass filter. Bring down the main out section, and we'll have some distortion. So bring this down to compensate by turning up the distortion, maybe by 8 dB. That sounds cool. Okay, I'm just now going to draw in some automation. If you press A, it opens the automation line. And now I'm going to choose auto filter. I'm going to choose the cutoff. I'll make this a little bigger so we can see what we're doing. Okay, so I want to start at 0 and then work gradually up. Okay, go about there. Gradually up. A bit more and a bit more. Listen to that now. That's cool. Okay. Now what we'll do is come out of automation. I'm going to place a bit crusher on this channel. Okay, we're going to have the drive down at 0, resolution full. Okay, and we're going to open up our automation line again. This time go to bit crusher, and we want the down sampling. Okay. Place this about here, and then the end of the bar, we want this to come up to say around 30. Listen to that and see how it sounds. Maybe a bit too much. Maybe bring the filter down as well. Cut off. Sounds cool. Okay. I'll take these solos back off. Okay. Now we're going to concentrate on our stab delays. Bring this over. Now, there we go. Loop around this. We're going to just place an auto filter again on the channel. Okay, and again, we're not using this envelope section. We want to rate this time to be 2 bars. And all this section off, cut off. Leave this down here. And slightly less resonance this time. And again, we want a high pass filter. Okay. Now we want to choose our auto filter cutoff. Okay, I'm going to start down here at 0. I want to bring this up to about 70, 75. Let's see. There we go. It's good. Move over and we'll tackle our middle section. So again, we want this to start down to 0. So we'll go up to about maybe halfway through this bar. Bring this up halfway. That's cool. We come back down here. And then halfway through this bar. And we want to come back up to 60. Let's see how that sounds. Take that loop off. A bit more interesting. Okay, piano's kind of taking over the mix in this middle section. So what I'm going to do is, firstly, I'll open the EQ. I'm going to turn on this. And if we go into our piano channel, press A for automation again. Our channel EQ, our high cut frequency. And that will start there. We can go up anymore. Start there. Now I'm going to bring this down about 200. And about here. Start bringing that back up. There we go. Crash symbol. So what we'll do is we'll create a new track new, one audio mono, create. Okay, now I'm going to get a crash symbol sample. You can find that in the sample pack. The link is below. Okay, we're going to drum hits, cymbals, crash symbol. Try that one. It's a big crash. Okay, drag that in. Okay, we'll have this at the start of the bar, and we'll loop that. And solo it. Okay, I want to compress this a bit. We use a VCA circuit type. Very fast attack. And slightly longer release. Okay, we'll bring up the ratio to about 2:3, and we'll bring down, and we'll also bring this back to 0. Let's listen to that. That's better. Okay. Next thing we need to do is add some reverb to this. So we're going to open up Reverb, Space Designer.